Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for a clear and peaceful mind. Right now, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your own well-being. If you're part of our journey today, thank you for joining us. And if you're here on your own, we're grateful to have you here. Let's begin by grounding ourselves in the present moment. Start by simply checking in with yourself. How are you feeling right now, in this very moment? Acknowledge your emotions without judgment. Now give yourself permission to fully embrace the present. Close your eyes, and as you do, release any tension, any stress. Take a deep, cleansing breath in and let it all go. Inhale peace. Inhale love. Inhale light. Inhale presence. The divine energy that surrounds us all. Breathe it in, and as you exhale, release. Give yourself permission to be still. Soften. Surrender to this moment's awareness. Inhale deeply and let it go. Let the heaviness within you flow down through your body, into the earth. Feel the weight lift from your heart as you release it deeper and deeper. Relax your face, your shoulders. Let it all go. Inhale once more. Guide your breath, this pure oxygen of love, into every cell of your being. As you exhale, let it release toxicity, frustration, pain. Visualize this unwanted energy leaving your body, your mind, and your heart. Let it go. Release all that's been holding you back. Decide to create a new reality for yourself. A reality filled with love, kindness, joy, compassion, and peace. Welcome it into your life as you breathe in. And breathe out. As you sit in this stillness, in deep meditation, feel free to use this mantra to keep your mind grounded and present. My decisions today will define my tomorrow. Breathe in. Let it go. Go within. Now, slowly begin to return to your breath. Let go of your mantra. Stay in the stillness, in this present awareness of love, kindness, joy, and peace. Stay as long as you need. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your body. From my heart to yours, with love and gratitude. Namaste. This guided meditation is part of a program for inner peace and self-discovery. If you'd like to explore more guided sessions, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for being here with us today. Sending you love, light, and peace. Namaste.